Using the macro mtdefsp, you can create a user macro containing predefined measurements. This user macro can later be used as a measuring template for a specific product type. This example showcases a measurement macro for trousers. Start the macro. Type in the name of the measurements you want to take. In this example, the length, hip circumference, and the hem circumference need to be measured. Using this button, you can change the order of the listed measurements. Selecting the parameter alternative right-click, you are able to select an element multiple times. This will be relevant for the measurement of the hip circumference. Once the parameters are set, you can save this measurement table as a new user macro. Start the user macro from the macro menu. Alternatively, you could add the measurement macro you created to your smart.run menu. Select the elements that are required for the measurement displayed within the dialog box. For multiple elements, use the right mouse button and click the last element with the left mouse button to move on to the next measurement. For the hip measurement, each element is selected twice since the entire circumference of the trousers is measured. Again, using the left mouse button for the last element. For the length, select the stripe line since it spans across the entire piece. A window displaying the measurements opens. You can add sizes to your measurement table here. The measurement table can be exported in different formats, Excel for example. For Excel files, the orientation of your table can be changed using this parameter. If you need to edit your user macro, you can open it again within the mtdef editor. Don't forget to save your changes to the user macro.